Hey guys, it's me and I'm back. I'm just doing a little quick video on how I lay my frontals. I'm in my comfy shirt, so don't mind me. So we're gonna get into it. I am going to lay my frontal with this wig. This is the wig that I was complaining about in another video that came from Amazon. I just got honestly too lazy to try to send it back. I've been buying and sending back too many wigs. I'm tired of wasting time and money. So I just said I'm going to settle on this. This had quite a bit of good reviews. Hopefully, I want it to last for about 2 months. Hopefully it does. It is a curly wig. This is it straight from being washed. I dyed the frontal, or rather bleached the frontal. It changed a little bit. So basically I'm gonna try to do this in the same amount of time that I usually lay my frontals, and I'm gonna show you basically from start to finish how I do so. So, all right. I personally like to cut off, and I'm gonna hopefully do this in the least amount of time that I possibly can. Some things I'm gonna say don't usually happen. Like I have on a full face of makeup, so I'm gonna be taking off the makeup that's on my forehead. Usually that's not the case. Usually I don't have on makeup, but I'm breaking out, so I wanted to kind of cover that up today. So let's get into it. I'm gonna first cut off the lace. Most people actually cut off their lace on them. I don't have that type of flickadorous, so I feel like I would end up cutting myself. So no, that's not what I do. And maybe I could show you this standing up, some of it. So this is the wig without the lace on it, and I don't know why I cut it while sitting here, or like before I actually went into applying it, because usually I apply my stuff and then cut it as I'm doing that to just save on time. So let's get into the actual laying down the frontal. So first I'm going to use alcohol to rub away this foundation from around my forehead, the perimeter. Look at my true skin color coming through. So that's that. Then I'm going to take some of my, I don't know, I was going to say E and J, but some of my Got To Be, and just lay it. And then I'm going to take my wig cap, and I have a ponytail in the back. I'm going to take my wig cap and just slide it over my head. And then I'm going to take my Got To Be spray. Yeah, this one is kind of broke a little bit. I just got it in my eye. Lord of Jesus. And then I'm going to spray it along my perimeter. Just make sure it doesn't drip into places where it doesn't need to drip. I'm gonna take some more of my Got To Be gel and then lay that up there. Some people don't use Got To Be gel. They just literally just do, but I like to do a thin layer. I didn't even finish my sentence. They literally just do the spray, but I do like to do a thin layer. It helps. And sorry that I'm looking over here. I honestly have my mirror over here, so I know I should be looking into the camera. So and then honestly, I just wait for this to get tacky and I spray as I go so that it can dry quicker. And we shall now wait. I think my cap has slid back a little bit, so I'm gonna move it up just to protect my hairs in the front. And then we're just gonna wait. I'll tell you how long I wait, because I don't use the blow dryer. I just sit here and let it do its thing. So actually, while we wait, I can actually tell you the reason why I ended up basically going back to, or not giving back this wig. Yo, when you haven't laid a wig in a minute, it's kind of hard to remember what you used to do. So just help it along. But anyway, the reason why I didn't get back this wig is because honestly, like I said, I just have given up on constantly buying and returning. I did say that this cap was pretty small. I feel like it's going to be definitely really small. This is really small to me. I'm used to bigger ones where I can adjust. The straps are at the furthest point. I haven't tried it on again because clearly I just went straight into this video. I should have probably tried it on before doing this. But we're going to put it on and see how this goes. So I know I didn't let it dry long, but I usually don't. This is going to be interesting because I'm not used to doing it this way. Because I don't like the hair to get into... Alright. So let's get into this. If you like for me to go further in depth and actually, like, you know, attempt to make it look good from edge to edge, I will definitely do a video like that for you. But this is my video, the way I install my wigs. And yeah, so stay tuned for another video. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials at Maya_love, MAYA_LOVE. Talk to you soon, or see you guys soon. Bye.